Ano nga ba ang starting point mo ng data analysis sa qualitative research? Paano at saan ka ba magsisimula? Tara na, join me and let's talk about qualitative data analysis for beginners. Sa mga researcher na medyo baguhan pa or medyo unfamiliar pa sa qualitative research, ang task na ito ng qualitative analysis is considered to be a challenge. And part of this challenge is due to the seemingly limitless approaches involved kasi in qualitative research. In fact, according to Lester, Cho, and Lackmiller in 2020, vast and diverse ang qualitative analytic landscape. There are a plethora of distinct ways in order for a researcher to complete his qualitative data analysis. Ibig sabihin, malawak at maraming pamamaraan ang pwedeng gawin o i-consider ni researcher para ma-analyze ang kanyang data sa isang qualitative study. Now, given this vast and diverse qualitative analytic landscape, ano nga ba ang starting point? Paano ba tayo magsisimula bilang researcher para makagawa o makabuo ng quality analysis ng ating data sa ating qualitative research? So, if you are a noob like me in qualitative research or you are a teacher or a mentor introducing qualitative research to your students, to your learners, or simpleng interesado ka lang to learn about qualitative analysis, then I tell you, this video is really for you. Kaya tara na, let's get the show on the road. For this content, our main reference is this. And the focus of our discussion is thematic analysis, in which, according nga sa mga authors, is best defined as an umbrella term. And since thematic analysis kasi has been used widely by many researchers and has been used in different fields. Kaya again, the steps we are to present here are specifically fit for thematic analysis. So, going back to our question, ano nga bang starting point at paano nga ba tayo magsisimula sa thematic analysis? Well, here are the steps. Step 1, get ready with your data. So, ano man ang gamit mong data collection technique, interview, focus groups, or observation, one of the first steps in qualitative analysis is to prepare your data and organize them. So this step involves gathering all of your data. Mapa audio file ng interview, video recorded interview, observation notes or documents man yan, kailangan mo silang i-gather at mailagay sa isang location. Kung soft copy file na sila, isave mo sa isang folder with proper file name. Mas maganda pa nga yan if yung mga data mo na yan ay may proper label, like type of data, date of collection, at storage location to name a few. Step 2, transcribe and be familiar with your data. Transcribe means to record or make a written copy of something. For example, mayroon kang audio file from interview ng isa sa mga participant mo. What you will do next is to transcribe it, to make a written copy of the said audio file. In thematic analysis, the most common is verbatim transcript. So dito, your goal is to capture every word, every utterance from your participant. You know what, ka-scholar, ka-researcher, transcribing your data is a good or serves as a good opportunity for you to be familiar with your data set. And this familiarity will lead you to have initial understanding of your data. Kaya maganda nga yan, you do it yourself. Meaning, you can do manual transcription or manual transcribing of your data. para magkaroon ka ng first-hand experience na toward familiarity and understanding your data set. Although hindi rin naman natin dinidiscourage na gumamit kayo, okay din naman yan, yung mga existing na at available na mga automated data transcription options or apps. Okay, so for step 3, code your data. An important part of thematic analysis is coding the data. Sa research, kapag sinabing code, it is a short descriptive word or phrase that assigns meaning to the data related to the researcher's analytic interests. Ka-researcher, ang task na ito ng coding the data usually ay unstructured ito at ginagawa ito in multiple phases or cycles. Don't worry, meron tayong naka-line up na video specific for coding the data. Basta as a starting point, keep in mind that in this process, you need to convert your data into a form that can be analyzed. So from codes to categories, from categories to themes. And in this task, we can carry out data coding using two methods. Yung automatic coding at yung manual coding. Going more deeply, sa coding the data, meron din tayong tinatawag na deductive method, inductive method, and hybrid coding. Oh, sandali, wait. Wag mo nang ma-stress or wag mo nang malula sa mga terms na yan. Gagawan natin ng content yung mga yan. Okay? Wow! Last step na tayo. Step 4, map the process and be transparent. Another important thing to consider in qualitative analysis is to be open and transparent. Isa sa mga concrete way to do this is to map the process. Dito kasi, maipapakita mo, maio-open mo sa outside readers, maging sa mga evaluators mo, yung analytic process na ginawa mo. Maraming researchers or experts, scholars ang nire-recommend ang paggamit ng tinatawag na audit trail. Sa data analysis, pwede din tayong gumamit ng audit trail. With this, we can say that you are open and transparent with the process you have undertaken, which then leads to coming up with quality data analysis. So ayan, in this video, we have been offered with a roadmap on how to conduct qualitative data analysis. So magsisilbi itong foundation or baon natin sa pagsisimula sa task na ito. So there you have it. Wag nang ma-stress, wag nang mag-worry kapag papunta ka na dito sa task na ito ng data analysis sa iyong qualitative research. So balikan mo lang yung mga steps na binigay natin, baunin mo sila, gawin mong guide sila. Thank you po sa inyo. Please, nakikiusap po ako. Share this video to your classmates, to your fellow researchers. Alam na alam po natin yung goal natin dito sa ating channel na Ana PH. We want na ma-reach din sila in one way or the other, ay ma-assist sila ng ating mga videos dito sa Ana PH. Lastly, if you have questions, comment nyo lang sa ibaba. Better yet, you can join as members of this channel. So that way, you can avail of exclusive privileges and perks as members of Ana PH. Join na kayo!